So good evening, friends. So today we are here again with another success story from 360 Digital MG. And today we have with us a very special guest, and he will be sharing his success story with us. So let's welcome Mr. Akshay Kumar. Uh, so, Mr. Akshay Kumar, you are welcome and congratulations on landing a job.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Good evening.
Yeah. So can you give us a brief introduction of yourself?
Yeah, so currently I'm working as a data engineer, associate data engineer right now. So previous organization I was working as a professor and associate data scientist at
Okay.
Innodatatic Private Limited. So right now I'm working as a assistant vice president data engineer in Goal101 Data Solutions. So and my qualification is BTech in civil engineering and post graduation programming, data science and artificial intelligence from 360 Digit TMG. Thank you.
Okay. So, can you tell us something about the company,
Yeah,
which you, yeah,
company generally provide this service for merchants and different types of banks, how they can use their DCI means their credit cards for the merchants. So it is generally business to business objective, and they also provide this service about how to expand their business. Different merchants are there. How can they utilize this service from there, and they can expand their business by using bank.
okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
So, can you tell us about your role in the company?
So my role is like to handle the all data pipelines. So if
Okay.
any types of error are coming, so I will have to fix that, and I am also doing some types of development, technical development things. So I also write some scripts, and lots of things are there. So it's my starting point. So at the starting and beginning point, lots of things you don't have, and you are not given lots of things, but after sometimes I will get lots of jobs and lots of tasks. So I will do all that task honestly. Thank you.
Okay. So, uh, how did you select this company only? Means you must have given interview for many companies and got selected. So, why did you
Yes,
choose this one?
because my first priority is my locality. Okay,
Okay.
locality is most my prefer is because I live in Delhi, and this company is also in Delhi. So this is the most interesting thing what I want already at that time. So that's why I chose this company, and this company also gave me some lots of opportunity to expand my career, to improve my career and move further in my career life. Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you tell us about the procedure which you followed to means get in the company, means written and interviews,
Yeah,
all that.
procedure was like first of all I gave my technical means I gave my assessment test. In that assessment test, first of all, the first I think I can say that the first step was to build a beautiful resume. Okay, so my resume was I think I can say that was good at that time, and they selected my resume, and I got the opportunity to expand and show my skills. So they gave me opportunity to give the assessment test, so I gave my assessment test and I cleared that thing. And I also accept my second opportunity, like a technical round. So I also cracked the technical round, and also they took me some HR rounds. So I cleared at least 4 to 5 rounds. So after clearing all these rounds, I got this job.
Okay, so basically you
So
work very hard
yeah,
for that. Yeah.
it was not easy, but whenever you start struggling like this, give lots of interview you will give. Okay, whenever you keep giving the
Yeah.
interviews, so you will also learn lots of things from there.
Yeah.
I also
So
gave many interviews at that time before this interview. So I learned lots of things because it improve your skills, how to present yourself in front of interviewer.
yeah. So friends, whoever is watching on YouTube, you can ask your questions at the end, or you can just post and we'll be taking those questions at the end. Yeah, so going ahead, so can you tell us about your educational background? Because you said you had a background in civil.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
can
have background in civil, but I have also technical round because I in my 11th 12th class, I have knowledge of Python and programming, coding knowledge. I have already at that time. So, and
okay.
after when I was professor in my college, assistant professor in my college, I was also professor, civil engineering lecturer. So at that time, I also improved my technical skills like Python and R programming, Python programming, SQL, database reading. These all things I was improving. I was learning from myself. I mean, at myself from my end, I was learning. So I was keen to learn these new types of technologies at that time. So that's why I chose this field, and data science and artificial intelligence. So when I did this, when I completed this program, so I mean, I got lots of opportunities because the market is booming right now.
Yeah. So can you tell us something about your professional? We also had something that you had already worked at Databricks. Yeah, can
Yeah.
you tell us something about your professional journey?
Professional journey was like when I was when I completed my BTech. So after completion of my BTech, I started working as a lecturer in a diploma college, engineering diploma college. So I taught
Okay.
lots of things there, lots of subjects, and I was learning lots of things like because teaching is not teaching only teaching, because you will have to learn lots of things at that time. So I was learning. Pythons and technical skills like Excel, Python, R programming, C++. These all things I was also learning at that time when I was teaching the students. And after when I got the opportunity as internship at Databricks, so I did lots of projects. And when I completed my journey in Databricks, so I think it was I mean, I can say I got I got to know lots of things and lots of I mean memorable experience, I think I can say. Yeah, I learned lots of things at that position when I was working at this company. And after when I got this job from this company, so and now I am doing hard work in my company right now. So this was my working profession experience.
Okay. So at first you had means got into engineering, so civil basically. So
Yes.
how did you decide that you want to change into IT or data science field?
Because I have also I can say that I am from this background also, because 11th I already told you that in my 11th 12th class when I was
Yeah.
learning science stream. So I have learned programming, coding. That's why I move into this because that gave me that provided me a basic point, I can say. So my basic was clear at that time, so that's why I chose this field. And also you also know that you should also person should also keep changing according to the time. So time is changing right now, IT sector is booming. That's why
Yeah.
I can change myself. So I changed myself at that time, because taking a good decision at right time, that is the best strategy for a person. So at the right time, I took a good decision and I changed myself. And I mean, I can say that I took all my efforts to this field.
Okay. So how did you prepare for your interviews?
Yeah, the main thing is how generally you prepare for interviews. Okay, so because that how much you have read, okay, how much you have read. But if you have
Yeah.
don't interview with skill, you don't have the right skills, you did not get hired from any company. Okay, by any company you did not get hired. So okay, so that's why I was focusing on my technical skill like Python, SQL, and how can I improve my communication skill, because communication is very important skill in this field. because whenever you communicate, you can tell about yourself and your expressions and your thoughts. So that's why. So I improved my communication skill, and I also improved my technical skills like Python and SQL. These two skills are very important right now in data science field and data engineering field. So I focused on this skill, and I also keep improving my skills, and I gave lots of interview, like 8 to 9 interview. So I learned from all interviews. I was focusing at that time what mistake I did. Okay, so from the mistakes I was learning, and whenever you keep learning lots of things from your mistakes, you will improve yourself. So this was my story of preparing for interviews. And I also and I also assess my do some assessment test from my for myself, how I know how much I know about Python, how do I know, I means whatever because in interview, different interviews, different types of questions that are generally asked.
Yes,
So
yes.
for all those type of questions, you will have to improve yourself, I means you will have to update yourself. So for that thing, I also use YouTubes and Googles and Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank. So these are the platforms. From there you can learn lots of things. Lots of things are there. So I was learning
Oh,
from there.
yeah. So you said that you had previous coding knowledge from
Yes,
12th, 11th, 12th.
yes,
So
yes.
did it means when you are learning here? So did it means was it uh, hard or easy? Means data science is different from those no
Mhm.
Python. Yeah. So was it hard or easy?
I can say that I would like to say hard and easy. It's all depend. It depends. I can say that it depends on your experience. Okay, whenever you
Yeah.
keep learning lots of things, you will know that it was very easy. But whenever you don't know, you will you think that so wow, it is very hard. So that is all about. And I don't know, Python is I think I can say Python is not a hard thing. You can easily understand lots of things, but you will have to first of all, whatever you will have to do, what you will have to practicing daily. Okay, different types of algorithm, like different types of algorithm are generally asked in interviews. You will have to learn these all things, their concept and logic.
Yeah. Okay. So how long did it take to develop your skills in this field? Means for data science.
It also depends on person, how he has, I mean how he uh,
Yeah.
spend their time on their skills in developing.
Okay.
Mm,
So did you, yeah, you said you worked on some projects. So
yes,
can you just give us some overview of some of the projects you worked on?
yes. When I was in analytics, so I was working on HR. There was a project. Okay, so at that in that project, we were generally doing. We were at that time. We were making the hiring procedure easy. Okay, so
Okay.
what we are doing for HR management, for HR team, we are providing a service. From that service, by using that service, they can easily extract the suitable person for suitable, means suitable candidate for the suitable work. Okay,
Post.
so
Yeah.
suitable post. So we are generally providing ATS, automatic tracking system, like this, resume tracking, we can
Okay.
say. Yes.
Any other projects?
uh, I mean, yeah, there are so many projects. So whatever, you know,
Okay.
lots of project was there.
Yeah.
Autism
So
spectrum disorder, artificial intelligence. So I also worked about that time. Computer vision. Hmm.
yeah, yeah.
By identifying
So
the face recognition, you can give the access to the user. Hmm. Lots of projects are
okay.
there. Was there? Yeah.
Yeah. So did you get into internship with InnoDataTix or
Yes, yes, yes.
direct?
Not
Okay.
direct. You first of all, you will have to get the internship. Yeah. Then you
Okay.
can work.
So how did it help basically the internship?
Yeah. I already told you that it improved my skills. I will get. I mean, at that time, whenever you started the internship, you will learn lots of things. You would improve your technical skills. They will provide. They will know. Generally, they give you some work. You will have to overcome the solutions. Okay, you will have to come with the solution of that problem, and whenever you come with solution, you will get lots of things. I mean, you will learn. I mean, I can say you will learn lots of things from the training. Yeah,
Okay, uh, so you worked with 360 digit MG also. So
yeah.
how did the 360 digit TMG team help you
First
basically?
of all, I am very thankful to HR team, 360 digit MG HR team. So they are very supporting guys. Okay, they are also providing the job opportunity whenever they get any updates. They generally provide you the best opportunity. Okay, so from their opportunity, I will be. I mean, at that time, I was able to give my interview at that time. So I'm very thankful to HR team first of all, and lots of things are 360 digit TMG, like there are mentors. Okay, so the mentors were very means supporting persons. They were teaching lots of things with their dedications. So I'm very thankful to all mentors like Sharad sir, Bharani sir, Bindu ma'am, Nitin sir. These all guys are fantastic, I can say. Their teaching skills is fantastic right now. Yeah.
Okay, so did they provide any additional support? Means apart from the what has been taught, apart from that,
The additional supports, like they were generally at the time they were teaching us. Okay, and they were
yeah,
motivating us. So first of all, not teaching is another way, but motivating is also very important thing. So they
yeah.
at that time they was keeping, and they kept motivating us at that time, because motivation is very important for the success.
Okay, so do you think any extra skills are required apart from what has been taught in your
Yeah.
courses?
Extra skills, like I can say only one thing: whenever time changes, you will have to adopt the different type of technology whatever are
Yeah,
coming right. Okay, so I can say right now PySpark is very booming. Okay, many things are many companies are using PySpark, Spark with Python. Okay, so I
yeah.
can say that whenever time changes. Okay, so technology is also change. Okay, so when technology is change, you will have to change yourself. You will have to adopt the new technology. You will have to learn new technologies. So you should learn your. I mean, this technology, like lots of technology are coming right now, like cloud computing. Lots of technology, I can say. You will have to hands on every I mean applications, softwares, technologies. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, this is a fast moving space and we have to be updated
Yeah, we
to
have
keep
to
up.
update it. Yeah, we have to
Yeah.
update it. Yeah.
So, did the add on sessions help you in any way?
Hands on sessions.
Add on sessions.
Yeah, that was very helpful for me. That was very helpful. They gave me some extra skills, I can say.
Okay, so do you have any suggestions for the new aspirants who are trying to get into this field?
Yes. I would like to say only one thing: keep moving, keep learning, because learning is very necessary for your life. Keep learning. First of all, the first point is keep learning, keep yourself motivated. Okay, and first of all, whatever generally mentors are saying to you, whatever mentors are telling you to do, you should not follow these all means these all those uh, whatever they are saying. Okay, all these statements you will have to, because the mentors are the guardians. They also direct you in a right direction. So that but hard working is also important, but hard working in right direction, that is most important.
Yeah. So friends, we can take your questions now. So you can post your questions in YouTube chat. Yeah. So one of the questions has come. Did the add-on AI help you? From 70 gamer Kilvin.
Add on.
AI course. Basically, he's asking about the AI course help you.
Yeah, it helped me lots because I was thinking that I would like to move in AI. Okay, because I was very excited to move in AI. I was keen to learn AI technologies. You know, AI is very at this point AI is booming. So that's why uh, I was also keen to learn AI. So AI helped me a lots of things like coding skills. They helped me how to code. I mean, I can say coding is very. I mean, AI is very important thing. Whenever you learn, whenever you start to learn the data science, AI is also important. It will give you some extra. I mean, knowledge, extra skills, because AI and data science this is not so different. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, you should also adopt AI. AI is also a booming is booming field, booming industry.
Okay. So yeah, we are not getting any questions. We can wait for a few minutes. If we get some questions, we can continue. Otherwise, yeah, we can close. Okay, so yeah, we are not getting any more questions. So, uh, do you have any closing sentences for our new aspirants so that we can
Yeah,
close
only one
this?
thing I would like to say: keep learning for your life. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, friends. So with that, keep learning. We can close this session now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you, Dev. Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. Thank you, Akshay, for your time.
Yeah, thank you for your valuable time. I'm very grateful for you. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah.